Hey, this is Kamranur from ASH Agentic Ai. Hope you all will be fine. Guys, this tutorial is going to become very important for you because in this video we will learn how to set up free n8n server with all paid features forever without getting expensive monthly subscription of n8n that you are supposed to pay on every month. So guys, if you are a non-technical person and want to learn agentic AI automation free of cost in easy steps and in easy language, then must watch this complete video. I will show you the step-by-step complete process critically. So guys, let's come on the screen quickly. So guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up our n8n localhost in our laptop. So there are few steps. There are very few and easy steps through which you can set up your n8n in your laptop rather than buying or purchasing the subscriptions of n8n, and I will show you in very easy steps through which you can install the whole setup. Well, first step is we are going to do installation of Podman desktop container. The second step, download the n8n image using the terminal. 3, run the container to launch n8n on localhost. So when we talk about first step, installation of Podman desktop container, here is one thing which I would like to tell you. The question arises, why do we use the container here? Why cannot we use the n8n application directly on our system? So we can download the n8n application directly in our system, but this is not recommended. Why do we use the container here? Think of a container like a secure, isolated digital room on your laptop where automation software runs independently without messing up your computer's main settings. This makes it incredibly easy to set up n8n and keep it running smoothly. So the purpose of container is to set up your n8n localhost in a smooth way rather than messing up the things. So without container, we would have to manually configure background databases and programming environments on our laptop. So without container, we have to set up manually or configure things manually in our database and programming environment in our laptop. So that would be hectic. The second thing is upgrading n8n manually becomes highly complex and can easily ruin the existing setups. So if you set up n8n manually, it can become highly complex. So we would recommend the container to make it easy. The third thing is we risk running into frequent hard to debug system errors. So when we are using n8n without container, the risk of error can be increased. The fourth thing, the application becomes difficult to install cleanly and a massive headache to delete. So without container, n8n application is hard to install and same is hard to delete. So why choose Podman? So the next question arises, there are many kind of containers available on the internet like Docker. Most of the people use Docker, but why we are choosing Podman here? So in this case we use Podman instead of Docker because it is 100% free. This is open source, lightweight, and would not slow down your laptop's performance or drain your battery. It gives us the exact same professional power as Docker, but keeps your machine running fast and smooth. So my experience was very good. I'm already using the Podman container and I already built many workflows on this system and it is smoothly working. So I'm very satisfied. So you can use my experience and you can set up your n8n in the laptop. So here you can see I'm already using n8n and these are my workflows on the Podman. So guys, let's come back to the installation process. n8n localhost steps. Number 1, installation of Podman desktop container. So as you know, I have already n8n installed on my computer, but because of this demo, I am going to sacrifice my whole setup, and I am going to delete it. And after the deletion, I will tell you how to install the Podman desktop container and rest of the steps. So guys, I have deleted all the setup from my computer. So now we are going to install the Podman desktop container first in our laptop. So open the Google and write the Podman download. Well, you will see the first website, Podman desktop download. You can click on it, and well, the page has been displayed here. So there is no need of login or something. You just see the Windows, Macs and Linux. So because I'm using the Windows, so that's why I'm going to click the download now. Well, you can see the application of Podman desktop setup is ready to download. So this is my directory where it is going to be download. We can see again, I would like to keep it on setups, setup folder. This Podman I already have, but I am going to remove it. Delete it. I have deleted it. Now the new setup will be downloaded here. Save. Okay, I want to replace it. Just save it. So you can see the setup has been downloaded with exe file. So we are going to click it here from download button. And after some time it will start. Yes, it has been started. So you can see the install button. We just click on the install. The Podman is going to be started to install. So the setup has been installed, and click finish, and you will see the Podman will be displayed here. So you can see the Podman has been installed in our system. So guys, one thing I would like to share with you, that is important note. Sometime you install the Podman and Podman does not work. Why? Because of virtualization. So we don't need to go in technicality. We just need to enable the virtualization in BIOS if it is disabled. So how to confirm either virtualization is enabled or not? You just press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button together. You will see this page, Task Manager. Click on the performance, and you will see here virtualization enabled. Well, I have already enabled the virtualization. So in your case, if it is disabled, so you have to first enable the virtualization. And how to enable the virtualization? You can just ask the ChatGPT or Gemini chat model. It will definitely guide you as per your system. So you have to, because you have to restart your system to go in BIOS setting. So I cannot tell you right now. So you can take the help of any ChatGPT model here. Go to in setting. So guys, in setting here you can see the engine is not showing either it is starting or not. So whenever you have the Podman in your system, it shows the engine that either it is running or not. So here is not the option we are finding in setting, either the engine is stopped or running. So first we have to fix this issue. So guys, in order to make this Podman to show the engine, we will just click here, create new. Now it is setting up the whole environment on the background through which it will set the system. So I'm going to click it, create. After a few seconds it will set the whole environment and will show the option of starting engine. So guys, you can see the Podman machine has been created here. Now we will click go back to resources, and you will see the machine has been appeared here. So it's running now, and if it's not running, you can click the start button from over here. So let's come to the container, and you can see the containers has no any image right now. So we have to go to the second step now. And what is that? That is pull or download the n8n image using the terminal. So now we are going to use our terminal to bring the n8n here. So for this purpose, we are going to the Windows search bar on the left corner at the bottom and write the command prompt. So guys, this is the terminal, and from the terminal you can pull the n8n. So you must run as administrator. Click on it, click on yes. The terminal has opened, and now we are going to command it. So what are the commands? I have already written here so that you can note it down, and I'm also sharing this command into this description box. You can see from there. I'm just copying it and pasting it in my terminal. Meanwhile, I am opening this. Just paste here. Now this command will pull the n8n latest version. Enter, click. Now you can see it is going to download the n8n into the Podman container. So it will take some time, so you have to wait. So guys, as you can see, it has completed the process of pulling the image of n8n in Podman, and it took my almost 7 to 8 minutes, and it can take your time as well. So don't worry and just wait. So now I'm going to give the other command. As it has installed and pulled the image, now we are going to give the command so that the image can be reflected in the container in this portion. So the next command I'm going to share with you, this one I'm copying from here, and copy and paste on the terminal. Yes, I'm pasted here. So what this command is saying, this is saying that n8n server download run unless restart unless stopped. This means whenever you will open your laptop after shutting it down, then the Podman will automatically be started, and your n8n will be ready to start on the browser. So just hit the enter, and you will see the container will be reflected here. Well, you can see the container has been reflected here and it is running. So Once again, I'm going to tell you the Podman machine is running. The status should be running here, and on the container button your n8n is also running here. So this is the port 5678 on which the n8n is going to be run in your browser. So now our n8n has been configured successfully and it is ready to run. I'm going to show you in this way: local host dot 5678. So because your port is 5678, so you will hit 5678, hit the enter button, and you will see this is showing n8n is starting up, please wait. So I'm going to reload the page again and again. You will see connect, get. Once again I am reloading the page. In your machine you can see after a minute or 2 minutes it would be started to run. So 2 minutes has been left. Well, you can see it has been uploaded, the page, and you can see the n8n is ready to run. So before starting we have to set up few things. Here we are going to give our email. Well, I'm going to my email here. I have selected the email, Gmail address, first name Kamran, last name Noor, and now I'm going to write the password here. So I'm writing here password. Any strong password. Just click on next. In second phase it will ask more information. Save. Well, before starting it is asking some more information, which is very easy, and you need to just answer the few questions. What best describes your company? Anything you can select here. Which industry is your company in? IT. That is enough. Which role best describe you? IT. What are you looking to automate? You can select other. Who will you automation mainly be for? Click myself. How big is your company? Less than 20 people. And how did you hear about n8n? Just can say Google, YouTube. Get started. Now this is important. Well, get paid features for free. So if you want to avail more features in your localhost n8n, then you just click on this, send me a free license key. You can see here the message, your license key is on the way, check your email. Now I'm going to check my email. Email has been received with the subject, your free n8n license key to unlock selected paid features. To activate license key you can click here, but I'm going to copy and paste this key for easy steps. Let's come back to our main page, and here you can see on the left corner in below, click on setting button, usage and plan. Just click on it. Well, you can see you are on the community edition, unlock. So I'm going to unlock this feature, enter activation key, and paste here your activation key and click on the activate. Well, your registered community addition has been successfully activated. So I'm going to cross it and go back to your canvas where you can build a workflow. Now I'm going to test my workflow, build a workflow, click on it. You can see new canvas has been opened, and you can create new workflow from here, this button, plus button. When you click it, new workflow, the same page will be opened. So here you can give the name, my first workflow, and it is saved automatically. So now we will test it. You can add the first node from over here, and you can also add the first trigger node from also here. So in n8n we will start the node which is trigger. Whenever the trigger happened, the workflow is started. So we are going to add here a trigger. Just click on it. On the right side you can see the page has been opened. So you will see these are all the triggers. So I'm selecting here on chat message. Well, the node has been opened, and when we cross it, you will see the node is appeared. So this is the node, your first trigger node. So now I'm going to test it. You don't need to set anything here. When you double click the node, it opens some setting. This is built-in n8n trigger node, so this is for learning purpose, so there is nothing to do. So here I'm again want to show you, here is a small button on the right side, tray like button. We will click it, then the tray will be opened. So in left side you can write the message hello and click. You can see the workflow executed successfully. So when I open this, you will see when I wrote the hello and send it. So this is the output of this node. So I'm going to close it right now, and I'm going to delete it. So guys, we have seen this, we have built the whole setup, and we are closing it here. But the next video is very important, because in next video we will get to know either the WhatsApp node works on it or not, because WhatsApp node setting is very important here. So please must watch my next video, and please subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos. Thank you.